I'm Ben Rehm, and our farm name is Rehm Farms LLC. We grain farm about 700 acres of corn and soybean rotation. We raise 112,000 chickens for Case Farms, broilers, and my dad also raises cage-free pullets for a company out of Pennsylvania, about 20-some thousand of those too. So we get into a little bit of everything. Most of our crops are marketed through Centera Co-op. Just kind of always work with them. It seems to always be the best price for our operation and what fits. So most of our crops end up going on down Route 30 out to Mansfield and get dropped off out there at that ranch, or we put it in our bins at home and store it there.
So we're taking off some beans today. What are you seeing as far as quality and dryness?
Quality seems to be there. We've hauled one load in so far. Test weight was good. Yields looking to be right about where we'd averaged at, right in those 60 to maybe some areas pushing 70, but also have the 50s too. So probably be right in the 60 range, which we're going to say is pretty good considering how wet it started out this year and how late everything went in. So we're pretty happy with what we're seeing. Dryness is 9–10%. Looks like we should have been out here a week ago, but
it's amazing how dry it got.
Oh my, I can't believe it. That's 90 degrees will do that to it, I guess.
So Ben, tell me a little about the tour that's coming up here.
Yeah, we're going to be on the farm tour. I think we're stop number 2. We're going to be showcasing where I live there, our branch of the farm with the goats and the chickens, and then a little bit of the grain. We hope to have the combine and grain cart and stuff sitting out, just to kind of show folks a little bit about what we do and kind of a real working farm. So we're pretty proud that Farm Bureau asked us to do it. We're glad to help out and let them show our farm a little bit, just to help give another taste of Wayne County. We're just in Wayne County what we farm. We custom farm between 1,500 and 2,000 acres in the fall, and that most all is in Wayne County. There's a little bit in Stark County as well. It's just my dad and I mainly, and then my brother-in-law or my wife or whoever we can get to sit in the seat will help us in the fall.
What do you think about the price of the beans this year?
My dad did a really good job forward contracting. Our average price is a lot better than the market price right now, but the basis is kind of killing us right now as we're finding. I think we're over 40-some cents, almost 50 cents basis right now, which puts a pretty good hurt on the price. Like to see it better, but we're still above break even, so I guess I'll be happy with it.